Judge Halpert received the Judge of the Year award by Washington Women Lawyers, and so I was able to speak for. And so I gave a 5-minute spiel with notes and everything, it's just, I can't tell you. We have an incredible bench, and I have incredible colleagues, and so I don't want to minimize them. But it's really hard not to when you talk when you know so much about Judge Halpert and all that she's done for our court. I mean, she's a great trial judge. She's done every kind of case under the sun, but her behind-the-scenes work is just incredible. Her ability to administer courts. I mean, how many of you know that she created an entire shadow court system for the RJC when the Howard Hansen Dam threatened to fail, and she had to come up with courtrooms, she had to come up with court process, record, and she did virtually all of that planning.
I was kind of bummed that the dam did.
We had courtrooms all over the county available, whether it was in law firms or private buildings. When she was a Seattle Municipal Court judge, she had to do major planning for the demonstrations, the WTO demonstrations and the arrests that
she left in the middle of it and stuck it all to me.
Oh, I didn't give you that credit.
No, I did the planning, Judge Richard did the execution.
Both very important. I told the group yesterday that I was just looking at my deleted emails for the last 18 months, and I had 1,508 emails from Judge Halpert. She has an idea about everything, but they're always really good ideas. And if you don't accept it, she's totally graceful about that. But I mean, I could go on and on. She's been chief of virtually everything. She could certainly have been presiding judge if she had wanted to in a second, but she declined. She said, I like the behind-the-scenes systems work, which makes her really a great partner. And because she truly doesn't care about getting credit, she just cares about getting things done. I could go on and on about Judge Halpert, but I know that you want to hear from her. Thank you.
I might need them. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah. Okay, we're good.
For years.
Is Veronica still here?
She just left.
Oh, because I had nominated her as the next NAG. The next person to look at all the, orders to be done and remind the other judges to do them. It's been a wonderful, it's been almost 19 years on this court, 10 years at municipal court. There isn't a better job than being a judge. I've learned something. Oh, now I'm going to cry. From everybody, it is almost everyone in this room is a public servant. I mean, I see a few private lawyers, and most of them wind up working for free half the time anyway. I'm looking at you, the criminal bar. And I think there is no finer calling than public service. The old phrase, good enough for government work, I mean, I really think it is. Is it good enough for government work? I mean, it's really important work we do and that we all do, and you do it under stressful circumstances and with less compensation because you believe in it, and because you believe in, if you're a prosecutor, you believe in representing the state and seeking justice for the victims, and if you're a defense lawyer, you believe in protecting your clients and in protecting all of our due process rights. If you're representing families, independencies, no matter what side, it's because you're trying to do the best thing. And I just so admire what all of you do. So thank you very much. Thank you for this overwhelming support, and I will miss all of you.